Mix coffee with alcohol and thank me. It's amazing. To start our tip today, in a container, I will add 2 tablespoons of soluble coffee to assist in diluting the coffee. I will also use 100 milliliters of water. The ideal now is to mix well until the coffee has completely diluted in water. The item that complements this tip today, and that makes it possible to clean with this mixture, is alcohol. The optimal amount for use is 200 milliliters. Now we must mix well again. While this already tells me, if you have made some mixture using coffee for cleaning, I'm sure you will be surprised by the effectiveness of this mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Maria Conceição from the UK. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Another item that makes this tip perfect for use are the cloves. You can use the amount you prefer. Cloves, besides bringing a great aroma in all places that use this mixture, also acts perfectly, avoiding the presence of flies and mosquitoes. Now we just mix very well, and so our mixture will be ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will put all the mixture in a spray bottle, as well as controlling the amount of use and avoiding abuse. Using a funnel, I will put the liquid completely, and then we just need to close and apply the product. The ideal is it's used for at least twice a week, in every room that feels that it is not so clean, or even suffering from insects. I perfectly use this mixture even in the kitchen, removing oil marks and stains on all items in my kitchen. For use, it is very simple, just applying the product directly and spreading with a cloth. Already get the cleaning result for the area. Tell me later if you had the result you expected using this mixture. Thank you for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye.